We're now going to have a look at how to create some views and some quick 3D presentations using different techniques in order to be able to import those into Photoshop, and we're going to do some different type of techniques in Photoshop to the last one, which was based on the house. So in order to create this view, we can use the orbit tool. Now what I'm trying to do is to get an understanding of how this looks from a street view. We might go this angle because the window looks a bit better this way. So we can use the orbit. The orbit tool is good for over large general ideas, but it's not really good for fine tuning. So I'm going to change that now to the explore tool, just to make that look more the way that I want it to. So that's what I'm after, that sort of view. Now we're going to save this as save view, just so that we've got this and we don't lose it. So to make sure we don't confuse this, let's call it render front color. Now we're not going to create a render, we're just going to use this method, just this mode at the moment. We're then going to create duplicates of this. Save current view. And we're going to create different views with different 3D settings. So we could change this here. So instead of detailed with shadow, we could change this to white model with shadow. And we'll save this again using the same name, render front white or outline, and then one more time, render front wireframe. So let's go down to 3D. Wireframe. Create. Now you see this is very complicated, very messy, but that's okay. We could simplify it, so we can turn off some of our layers. Let's turn off furniture. And our interior walls. Alright, and to update that one, let's make sure we're in the right one, yep. Right click, view settings, get current window settings. So that's just changing the layer combination, but that's fine in this case. So I've created these views. We could also get rid of the mesh if we didn't want that, but again, I don't want to worry too much about that now. And we're going to save these, and we're just going to save these very simply. We're going to save these as TIFFs. So file, save as, and we're going to save these as a TIFF file. Save all three of them using the same sequence. This one's white or outline. And color. Great. So in the next video, we're going to import these into Photoshop and look at some different techniques of how we can create some interesting styles.